I think her name was Miranda. She was a little Hispanic gal, and we went to a dance. And Larry was probably driving or something, because I don't know if, I wasn't driving anyway. She came out to get in the car, and the curbs in Phoenix aren't like that. They're rounded.
Yeah.
She went to get in the car and slipped and went right under the car. I can't remember if that was when I took her home or when I got her. But then I was in college, and I had the little red El Camino that said, as long as you're taping this, broad-minded on the side. And Deanne and I got into an argument, and I got mad at her, and I got out of the car, and I slipped and went under the car.
What was the fight about?
Oh,
Who knows?
thy heavens.
He was trying to make a statement.
That's right. I was wrong. I had been wrong. I was right and she was wrong. Who knows what we argued about.
That's awesome.